So, you want to create this cool cell shaded effect? Well, everyone hop in your loafers, put your slippers on, and let's go to the ice cream van because I got a doozy for you. Hey guys, I'm at TutsByKai. I'm Kai. Today we're back once again taking a look at how to make this cell shaded effect in Blender. We've done cell shaded effects like cell shading, cartoon looking shaders quite a bit before in the past, but this one, I've never done anything like this before. This is very cool. I don't think I've ever seen someone do something like this before. Let me know if I'm wrong or not in the comments down below, as always. But this is what I've done. So essentially, I have this model that I got from 3dscans.com. Not sponsored. We used to use them a lot back in the day, but we haven't used them in a while, actually. But yeah, this is this model of this eagle. Very, very cool, So what I've done essentially is the scene consists of this. All right, so there's a couple of lamps around. Let me actually go. It's a couple of lamps. So we have one area lamp coming from top. We have another one coming from the left-hand side, and we have one that's red coming from the back, and one that's red coming from the bottom as well. So it's just literally a 4-point light set up here, and that's basically it. Now, with the actual material for the bird, or the model, all that I've done is I've turned a metallic all the way up, and specular all the way up, and then roughness all the way down. And what you get is this effect once you're done with that. So if I were to go ahead and turn the roughness up, you can see it looks like this, right? And if I was to turn the metallic off, it would look like that, which is like a regular white shader. But if we turn metallic back up and we turn the roughness down, you can see that it starts getting more and more rough until it gets to a point where it's completely hard-edged light, which is coming off of the lamps, which looks so cool. And the good thing about this is that it's not actually part of the material, so this is actually changeable depending on where the light is at. So you can see I move around the light here, and then the light changes on the model, which is extremely cool, which means this is not just dependent on what material you're using. It's not just dependent on where something is in the scene. It's not dependent on what is in the scene. You can literally have this on every single different object. Just make sure you turn the metallic up and the roughness all the way down, and the specular up as well, of course. But you can see how it just moves on the bird there, on the wing there. You can see moving this red light around. You can see it just completely changes the entire scene, which is very, 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 very cool stuff. So ladies and gentlemen, I hope you learned something new today. This is a very super simple but super, super, super cool one, I think. This is one of the coolest tutorials I've done in a while. And it's just so handy. I'm actually gonna really quickly put this on Suzanne just so you can get another idea for what it looks like in a scene. We're gonna go ahead and just rotate her around here, add a little bit of subdivision surface, put her on smooth shading, and then add in this same material. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. There you have it. Now, if you need to change this material, so if you want this one to be like green or something, of course, hit the little 3 button, and then just change it to a different color. So we have it be green. There you go. And you can still see it's still cell shaded. You can move these lights around. It affects everything in the scene the same exact way. Very, very cool stuff. Hope you, ladies and gentlemen, learned something new. Like I said before, I will see you in the next one. But until then, bye-bye.